If you ain't like this fucked up, then I don't know what to say.
What's up? Today we're gonna work on 2010 Mustang V6. You guys probably seen the other video of us installing the coilovers, and today we're gonna do the spark plugs, and we're gonna do water pump and serpentine belt. There's not a lot of videos on water pump on doing this, so I'm gonna throw one together for you guys. So if you guys got a V6 Mustang, you guys will find an easy way to do this too, since it's the only video I know that is on YouTube. All right guys, so we got the new water pump. It has a leak on the one that is on the vehicle, so it comes with the gasket and the water pump, and it's only like 80 bucks or so. What we're gonna do is, you can see all these bolts that need to come off, but the first thing I'm gonna do is take off these for the pulley and take off the serpentine belt. So there's one hose that's right here, goes for intake piping, sensor, 2 clips. Take off this hose clamp for the intake piping. That'll give you guys so much room to be able to work in here. So let's get this out the way and continue. One thing before you guys take off your belt, make sure you guys get a picture or a video, kind of like what I'm doing right now. You can see how it goes around. That way you don't lose the direction of where it goes. This thing takes 12.4 liters, which is like 3 gallons of coolant. So I'm gonna pop this hose off right here, put a bucket down there. I went ahead and jacked the car up, and then I'm gonna let everything drain down into a bucket so that way I can still use it. And then we have a new one right here just in case, so we can add it, whatever's missing. Pop this hose off right here, and that's gonna drain most of everything from the top end. And then I'll pop this hose off. Keep this hose connected onto the top. Pull this down, let it drain more into the pan, and then also I was able to pop this hose off and then finish draining whatever's left to catch it. So we got the old one, then we got the new one. I would put this bottom radiator hose on there first, second put this back on, and then put your gasket and then bolt it back up. For right now, what I'm gonna do is, I was noticing the old one, they use silicone on it and the gasket maker, which probably caused it to leak. So I'm gonna have to take a razor blade and clean off the block from all this old gasket and all the silicone, because we're not gonna use any silicone on anything. So I went ahead and put the bottom hose on, and I haven't put the gasket in there yet. I'm gonna slide it in between. And then also I went ahead and put the top hose, like I was telling you guys. I'll probably tighten this one down so that way I don't have no issues with it moving around. So what I did was I went ahead and tightened the bolts for the water pump from the center out, an X pattern. So I went to top one, bottom one, this one, bottom one, that side, this side, and kept going. Got all the hoses on, got this top hose on, bottom hose. All I gotta do is put the new serpentine belt on, and also put this pulley. So what I did on the pulley, I went ahead, took some vice grips and clamped the lip. Was able to tighten these, no problem. You don't have to over tighten them, make them extra crazy tight, because they weren't very tight in the first place. They're just enough just to hold the pulley on. We got the belt on, we got everything. I started putting 1 gallon of coolant already. I got this bucket. I'm gonna get a strainer and a funnel so that way I can filter that out and put that in there as well to put it back. So we already got this back, sensor, and this hose right here that goes back to the PCV valve. And other than that, we're gonna start it, let it warm up, let it bubble, and then see how much more we need to go and get to add to it. So we went ahead and changed the spark plugs already. We already got that done. Coolant's topped off, everything's good. Belt's done. We're gonna change the tensioner, the pulley, and probably the alternator and some other stuff. We got AC Delcos, but these are the old spark plugs right here, some Motorcrafts. Really easy. There was a lot of room and a lot of space on this side and on the other side to change them out.
Dinner's
Oh
ready.
shit. Oh. Alright guys. We gotta go.
Take it to the ground, I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running, do you? So I can do it, can't do it, get it, go. Run it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like buckets, spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us, Keep my mind at ease.